My dream see you last night. That not have nothing to do with me. But you tell me that far. If you dream see me and what?
Them can't even program the man with them out. Ask them again. Yeah, for you, yeah. Can't find this because they don't feel sleep or something. This one talk. No, no. I just try and feel in there. Now they whatever. You understand? I couldn't do it at all. I mean, I forgot to school on the face to my good breast.
What a be black? Kuna black people from man. Whoa, thank you, Dad. Hey, una black people you fuck. First time here. Are your first time here? No matter get black, my love. Whoa! No matter make your first be your last. No matter get black. Murder to blood clad. Let's see what more. No make your first be your last, Booba. Thank you, Tara.
Do not speak. For none of it, construct a sentence. Anyway, we read it. So
that's a good thing. First Lady Steve, I'm fine, Mama. Everything is great. Yes, I'm recovering fine. I'm good. I'm okay. Them couldn't stop me. You better type with sense. Shanti's killing me. Shanti say you better type with sense. You're a strong Shay. God know. Me I tell you, girl. I can't do a laugh, goodie. And I have to do the more for do. Laugh. Don't send no requests. Why you sending requests? Do I know you? When I love backs too much.
Over here, so no backslide.
Yeah. Hypocrite. I send me a request, can I hypocrite?
Then, I say, I can't wait to see someone over here. Because someone, you know, I don't share them. When I have over here, you know. Yeah, man.
Me see the girl who come here yesterday when you're Maya. It's Maya for me. Always there for my life. And no. Is she a favorite white chicks? You trying to be funny? Boo, we don't get it. Boo, your joke stink. Boo, bitch. Your joke stink. Yes. No, make them type. Make them type. All I do when them type black them. Me like when them type so I can get them off from my page. Make them type, man. Me nah sub me live. Make them type. When them type, me black them. Me like it. Me like when them finger move. Me get them off from my live. Yeah, Tiara, I'm glad you see her. A black her, you see?
Yeah,
come over here.
Over the boy. When normally them are comment, you see? Me say what you know. That's why me come here. Come tell you know. From day one. You don't know Queenie. Me always preach this. Me not like nobody in a real life.
I laugh when me see them master.
Me live my life that way there. Not like nobody.
I wish you comment yesterday and say, Shay, your eye nice. Me.
When you say you not like me, you not supposed to. Because remember me not like you first.
No look down. You know, my spirit tell Queenish resemble my mother too, you know.
Because you see, I say when I see some girl I never see over here, I say, I'm glad say, and she wanna come to and knock me because me just see because I don't like her, hey, I know woman spirit take over here, so. And some of when you call to me, you notice me not answer, because me not like some of and me not much like me. So the 5% where me feel like people, I remember 95, well, the 5% me not. Phone again. You ready? You ready?
Whoa.
You scratch first or whatever, I'm going to measure it. Well, scratch it a little.
No look on them. Them store them I say. Camera.
No laugh off of them though. And them think you know remember, them think you know.
No, them think me not see them. That's why when Maya come here yesterday, I say, girl, you brave.
Your eyes.
Oh, you brave, so? I see in comments that done me. Are you ever there for my live?
Your eyes are so pretty. You're so witty.
And woman come over here and give me a compliment. Hey, them girl are terrible on TikTok, you know. You know, some of them want a compliment from one. Hey, them girl are terrible on the blood-clad internet, you know.
Your eyes are so pretty.
Woman, same. Ellie, I was so shocked you saw me. I see, you know, hear me say, Kerry, I see everybody. Everybody, Kerry.
Everybody.
Everybody. That's why I can't tell you, say, Kerry, I see you. I see sexy Nikki. I can't tell the people them who I see in the comments. I see everything and everybody. Them not learn. You see? Nice and neat. That's rich. Still on Brittany 15 bills righteous, so cute and girly. So get up and start walk on it, you know. I just the truth, Erica. What you mean? I just the truth, darling. Sit down on it, number look class. Brad pan it, see? Weather nice today outside. Me I go Ellie. I'm a nice little dress. I'm going outside to buy something. Can do it. If you want. No, Mama go and sit down and Brittany money right there. So, Nikki! Mwah! Mama go and sit down and Brittany money right here. So, go and come and sit down a little bit and Brittany money. Audrey, anything them say we have to run with it. Anything them say, Mama, we have to work with that. You can't tell them. Remember, them know more than we, you know. When you hear them people that talk on the internet, you think them know your business more than you. When you ever hear some rumors about on your cell phone, you never hear yet, want to know about yourself? Are them the people there. Cara! I sit down and break the money what you give me to. You ever see people talk things about you say, I want them get them a story from, you feel wonder if it's true. It make you a puzzle and say, I saw you stay for true. Leave them. Make them run with it. Kim what? Yeah, I sit down and Brittany money in a blood clot. So me hear me dear. Me say pour them, Cara. Pour them. Pour them. Me never hear say me a thief yet. All of a sudden me a thief, me a scammer, me a rammer, me a bammer. Me a everything that is bad right now. And me never hear say me a thief yet. And all of a sudden me turn thief. Ali, Me never live in the same house. Me never take nothing from you yet. All of a sudden me a thief, but now, yes. All of a sudden me a thief, me a scammer, me a rammer, me a bammer. All of a sudden. No, Janelle. We had to wrong somebody. Wrong somebody. Wait. I'm afraid. Blood clot. A mistake. Because something man put on my ground right here, so. I mean, alone can't hold on it. Baby can't hold on it. Baby can't, be alone can't hold on it, so.
I want to sing the one or two, ever.
I mean, alone, so, yeah, for myself, for comfort myself. I put it in my living room right here, so I just lay down on my carpet, nice and cool. Yeah, baby can't work on it. But I bring the money me I go use it now. So come, we I go outside, go use bring the money. You know come in?
No,
let's go. Yes.
Is that what you think say?
We're going outside now, we bring the money.
School just
cute?
So
cute.
Stress out because.
Yeah. We're going to use every dollar and make it burn on a blood clot. We're ready. Cute, Nikki! Nikki said cute and girly. Hi. Nikki said cute and girly. Which one? Oh, so that too heavy.
Baby light, man.
No man, that heavy bag. My bag. You carry the bag?
Yeah, which one of the bag then? A black me and a white in there, that don't go with my clothes.
Come baby, we're ready to go out and bring the money. Okay.
Oh no, we can't have that.
You want something to bring the money too? Anything you want, baby, just tell me. No, use your 5 bills where you get. You know easy. You want to come down my little 5 bills when I get out of Brittany? Crazy.
They go give Shibada 2 out of my 5.
You're lucky. You want Shibada 2, him not get nothing. Me not have it.
3 I have. And a 3 there. After my birthday.
Oh, you're lucky. But right outside me, I go and bring the money right now. And by the time I'm nothing for blood clot get. Right now, nothing can share, guys. My sorry for no. There's nothing can share for bring the money down. Tell Queen him, oh, Sim to show her lunch. So you can buy her one lunch out tight. See her, buy her lunch. Somebody say, tell Alice say, me wait name the whole on. She not mute, she can't comment now. Tell her say she can't comment. And I mean mute her, a mistake the moderator make, a mistake, I never she forget it. Hush Ali. Somebody say, I want a small McDonald's.
Yeah, we can buy a salad.